we're going to... Where are we going, Sister Ret?
Azura.
What kind of Azura?
Basta may swimming pool.
Hilltop, guys. Yun. Azura Hilltop sa Murok. Yeah, sa Murok. And may parcel pa kaming i-deliver before kami makago dun. So, yeah. Come with us. Karot! Okay, guys. Na-deliver na natin ang ating parcel. And going na kami sa Butterfly Garden kasi dun kami magkita nila Denek. Yes, klaro kayo.
We just got to keep it rolling. There's no time to be wasting. I'd just rather move it along. Couple feet but in different waters. I need space more than orders. I'd just rather move it along. I know.
Guys, we're here at Azura Hilltop. Ewan ko kung nakikita ang Hilltop. Yeah. We survive. Kita niyo yung dalan? Pataas, di ba? Yes. Then, andun yung hotel nila. If makita nyo. Yan, dito ang mga drivers.
Work it.
Guys, so, andito ang view. Tan, tanan, tananan. Ang ganda. Tashan! Maganda, diba? Ang ganda rin tayo. Okay, so, maligo kami ng pool. Temay, pa-please ako. Peko ang bag, ate. Wait lang, guys. Ate, ang bag, please. Tingnan nyo, guys, ang pool. Wait lang, i-extend ko kayo. Diba? Excuse me, sir. Pwede na po maligo sa pool? Pwede po maligo? Apo, saan po magbayad, sir?
Magkamo lang mag-usap.
Saan po? Saan po?
Darating lang yan.
Ah, sige po. Okay po, hintayin lang po. O, sige po, sir. Thank you po.
Hintayin lang.
So, mag-wait lang daw kami, guys. Look at the view, guys. Tanan. Tanan. Uy, klaro ba? No?
How you're feeling? 'Cause sometimes I do tight. Not tonight. You're gonna hear me. Gonna dance it off goodbye. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger. Just to be together. All I wanna do is crash now when you're spewing facts. Now I know that I am getting better. We know that we can get crazy when some things seem lazy. I know that I am getting better. I know how you feel.
Hi, guys! So, we're waiting na lang sa assign dito sa Azura Hilltop para makaligo na kami ng pool. Kasi yun talaga ang pinunta namin. Plus na lang yung view. Andun yung owner ng camera. Ginahiram ko lang to sa kanya. And thank you. Sabi niya, kapag may income na daw ako, bayaran ko lang daw sila. Oh, nagpapagawa siya ng... Papagawa siya ng TikTok vid. Dito na si Bububoy.
Ano na pagawa niya?
Hindi kayang tumbasan. Oh.
Hello.
Okay, lakad, Bes. Papunta dito, Bes. Papunta ka dun. Papunta ka dito sa right. Pa right. Left ko. Left mo. Left mo.
You was right.
Kada na. Full storage ka na.
Thank you.
Ay, bad, oh.
Is it bad?
Oh, tingnan mo. I never met love.
Bilang.
Okay.
Cause sometimes I be tight. Not tonight. You're gonna hear me. Gonna dance it off.
As of now, guys, we're still waiting sa foreman nila kasi Siya po ang assign dito like sa entrance fee and sa fee para maligo pool. Tapos, andun si Deneb kung nakikita. Paano ba to? Pwede ba to i-zoom? Hindi ko alam paano siya. Ah, okay.
Nahanap niya?
Yeah. Andun si Deneb. Ito si Winwin, ang watermark. Okay.
Kamay pa rin ang lumalapit.
Okay.
Kansyan
Balik
pa lang
natin.
Christmas. Injured si Santa.
Tingnan nyo. Kita nyo na guys, ang humor niya guys. Alam nyo, nahirapan talaga kami mag-joke at the Charm kasi siya kasi guys, aircon humor siya. Tapos kami, kanal humor kami guys. Tapos mag-joke kami sa kanya nila Deneb, kailangan pa namin explain na wala na spark ang joke. Tingnan nyo, pinakita niya sa amin yung nahulog sa reindeer na Santa Claus. So wala daw, cancel daw ang Christmas.
Hindi te, lahat
Help us.
pag mainit
Kunin nyo na to guys, ipasok nyo na sa bag.
Goodbye, my love. Can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes stronger just to be together. I'm getting better, you getting better, we getting better this time. I'm getting better, you getting better, we getting better this time. I'm getting better, you getting better, we getting better this time. I'm getting better, you getting better.
Guys, as you can see, nagamit na ako ng flashlight kay gabi na and wala pa rin yung foreman. Pero may narinig kami sa likod, nag-uusap na sila if how much ang entrance pati ang sa pool. So, stay tuned!
Bye-bye.
Bye! Hello!
halog daw.
Pwede naman! Are you excited? Because I am excited! Ha ha ha!
Jacket.
Guys, gion na nila ang pool, guys! Tingnan nyo guys, gion na nila guys. Okay, let's see. Boy, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Parang kaming bata. Yes! Oh my gosh. Wala guys, gi-open na nila. Hindi, pwede ba? Hindi kita. Oh, pak, may pa-blue. Oh, pak.
Hala, gago boy
Oh, no, we're so excited. Sige lang po. Na-excite. Ilang feet po to dito, sir? Gano'n po yung kalalim?
Mga isang kapan lang.
Mga lalim guys.
ba to?
Si.
Mga gaano ka, bang gaano?
Mga
Awa na.
Magkano lahat to? 150?
Guys, tingnan niya guys. Gano'ng kalalim. Ano pa na? Excited na siya guys. Ano po, request, beat it. Beat it. Guys, tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda dito. Bakit? Hala, nagtiniil siya guys. Oh my gosh. Hindi kayang tumbasan.
Mag-copyright ka na.
Tingnan nyo guys, this is what I'm telling you guys. This is what I am saying. O, diba? Tapos ito ang view nyo. Palda!
Sip your chai, you got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright, so just smile like there's no one watching. Early morning on a Saturday, wake up, time to get it started. No one's gonna get in your way, no one's gonna leave you broken hearted. You don't need nobody else. Everyone knows you're doing well, so well, yeah. Not a worry in the world, you ain't scared of nothing. You a boss kind of girl, you got all you wanted. Earned yourself a quick break in the morning. If someone tells you otherwise, give a warning. Don't let yourself be restrained. Own yourself and just walk away.
guys, so we're allowed to ligo na and maliligo na kami and until 9 lang daw sila dito. So, yes, sama kaya sa amin! So guys, first we need to shower muna before tayo mag-dip sa pool. And sila Ate Charm, pati si Pimpi, mag-change sila ng damit. And ako ready naman din maligo, so mag-shower na lang. Para makadip na tayo sa pool!
Away, yeah, yeah. Just one look in your eyes, and I know I found who I'm looking for. It's the way that you smile that captivates my mind. 'Cause I see the way you're winning. You got something that inspires everyone who's lost their vision. You got something that everyone is craving. I'm just wishing I can be with you. I feel like I need you in my arms. There's something about the way you look when you sip your chai. You got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright. So just smile like there's no one watching. Ooh, don't you know that everybody wants to be your love, love. Ooh, don't you know, yeah, that I never thought I'd fall under your spell. Yeah, just a look in your eyes.
Guys, ang funny talaga ng mamukha ko like under the pool. Please don't judge. Nakaganon talaga ako. Kasi wala akong makita. I mean, blurry ang makita ko, so nakaganon ako. Di ba? Mata-mata mo!
And I know I found who I'm looking for. It's the way that you smile that captivates my mind. 'Cause I see the way you're winning. You got something that inspires everyone who's lost their vision. You got something that everyone is craving. I'm just wishing I can be with you. I feel like I need you in my arms. Something about the way you look